really enjoyed the training. It was elaborate, it was specific, it was educative. And I've learned one or two things, and I've made contacts to be an exporter.
The information I gathered today opened my eyes to some things I don't take note of, and I will really take time to really explore it, at least for better results. And I'm optimistic that with this, it's going to be well.
I must confess that this workshop, and I thank God I listened to my instinct. The first thing that attracted me when I saw the person who was going to be facilitator, I saw Ola Wealth.
Yeah.
And I was like, what a name. I've actually learned so much, and one of the things I like most about this workshop is the practical steps that we've been taught how to go about our export business. And I'm using the opportunity to thank the organizers for a job well done.
Being at Nigeria Exports Workshop, I can say it's mind-blowing, seriously, because I've always been hearing about exports, and today I'm pretty sure that after taking us through the processes and procedures involved in small and medium exports, this is my chest to say I can start exports.
The training is eye-opener to a lot of things that we really don't know about. Imagine Bitakula making big money, Tiger Nut and Son, which was I'm really impressed.